Oh. Yo, Scum, speak.
Yes. Today, Empire will go down along with all the other spastic rats. They will be sweating when they drop one by one. Sweatier than Alex Moore after a hot shower. Sweatier than Adam after a daily BK stop. Today, we will put Chloe's ponytail on a pedestal.
Okay,
Today, we will destroy every clan in the wild. The E-Daters will drop so fast, they will accidentally return at one death gear. Today, we will show them the mighty power of the alien laser beams. We will snipe them out. We will shoot them down, one by one. Their invasive species of rats will need to be cleared off the server of Telos. Let's have those eyes in the sky lead us to victory. Hashtag aliens are real. Hashtag ambush.
Alright, so, let me talk to y'all for a minute, alright? Yo, heartbeats they are racing. If you hatin', flip the station, cause the fun is what we're chasing. I am tired of this lame shit, always on the same shit. Tired of the games, bitch, watch me fucking lane switch. My rapping shit is potent, my fans they are quoting. I am flowing like the ocean, long division with no quotient. You can't fucking solve me, like Pikachu I'm evolving. Around me the world's revolving, I'm the center of attention. Hold up, almost forgot to mention that I'm loving life. Feels good to do right, so don't get left. Heart of gold up in my chest, made a promise to myself that I would do my best until the grave is where I rest. I've been living, talent was God-given, so watch me fucking demonstrate. Dudes wanna condemn and hate, all I say is real talk. When I speak you feel hard, you can see the tragedy, see it change like magic. It's been so fucking long, son, but now my life is awesome. The world was out to get me, now you won't forget me. I made it through the struggle in this self-made hustle. Moved this work with no muscle, I was guilty of this quitting shit. Now lava I am spitting it, something like a dragon. 501s on my ass, they sagging. Jump up on the bandwagon, no I ain't the team. Well, I just do my own thing.